For today's video, we're gonna do sound check. So, all of these are my free keycaps, open keycaps. So, I got the Samurai, Mizu, the Apollo, Stargaze, and Purple Taro. Gonna do sound check one by one on each caps. Free. And I have two boards here. So the first, this one is aluminum key, black anode. Okay. And then I put all the foam that is included in the packaging. And then I put HMX Hyacinth, MX Cherry Black. This one is filmed and lube, hand lube. Same with Ako Stellar. And then the HMX Hyacinth V2U. Okay, so first, try natin tong Apollo. Sorry. Ay, tama ba ilagay ko? Kailangan. Kailangan na pala ilubog. Then ito. Okay. Let's get the second set of arrow keys. So, ilagay natin siya dito sa ano. Okay. Okay. So, ito kasi, ano siya, plastic gasket. Pero may mga foams din siya. Tapos, plastic din yung body niya. Ito kasi, aluminum. So, testing natin. Hyacinth. V2U. MX. Stellar. So, Hyacinth. V2U. V2U. MX Black. Stellar. Stellar Rose.